Hello, I'm Yuri Poletto, and I'm the founder of the Open and Embedded Insurance Observatory. First of all, what do we mean with embedded insurance and open insurance? Embedded insurance is about placing insurance products and services in the day-to-day flow of customers' lives and work. In this way, we create contextual opportunities to provide the utility of insurance protection, customers and business needs when they need it. Open insurance is about accessing to and sharing of personal and non-personal insurance-related data, usually via APIs. So embedded insurance and open insurance can be positioned in one framework where there is an insurance provider in the middle. On the one hand, on the right, open insurance. For open insurance, we have the data provider, that is a company that provides data to insurers and insurers, that then use those data for their business purposes. And often in the middle, we have enablers, so companies that are able to transform those data into actionable insights for the insurers. On the other hand, on the left, we have embedded insurance, where the insurance provider is the provider of insurance capabilities that are offered to the distribution partners, so non-insurance companies that want to offer insurance to their customer base. In the middle, again, very often there are enablers, so tech companies that enable insurers and distribution partners to collaborate. Why is embedded insurance so important today? Because thanks to technology, and thanks to the changing needs and behaviors of customers, today every company can be an Insurtech company. I bring here an iconic case of embedded insurance, those of Nimbla. Nimbla is a UK-based tech NGA backed by tier 1 insurers. Nimbla is a member of the Observatory, by the way. Nimbla allows an SME to insure its invoices, and only those invoices the SME want to insure, in real time through the accounting software that the SME uses every day. So to better understand embedded insurance and open insurance, at the Observatory, we run a research stream throughout the year. And today, I'm going to share with you some insights from our first research stream that involved over 40 organizations from all over the world. First insight, embedded insurance is in a clear growth path. In terms of investments, in 2021, $800 million out of 15.4 billion have been invested in embedded insurance. And in the first 2 months of this year, $130 million have been invested in embedded insurance and open insurance startups and scale-ups. Some relevant venture rounds last year: Extend, $260 million, Achco, $255, Boltec, $247, and Cover Genius, $100 million. Embedded insurance is today already a thing. Out of the $5.5 trillion of the estimated size of the global insurance market, $1.8 trillion are already distributed via non-traditional channels. On top of this, we have estimated that up to $0.7 trillion of existing insurance premiums will migrate into embedded, so will be distributed via embedded insurance in the next few years. And on top of this, we have estimated that up to $0.5 trillion of the existing protection gap can be reduced thanks to embedded insurance. Second insight is that the growth of embedded insurance is drawing a new, vibrant, competitive landscape. The first player of the embedded insurance framework are insurance providers, and here almost all the most prominent and the non-prominent insurance groups are doing embedded insurance. And part of those companies are also part of the Observatory, like Generali and Hiscox, for example, Munich Re. Then there is a second category, enablers. We have mapped the global embedded insurance enablers. They are over 100 companies. Every 3 months, we issue an update of this map and every time we add between 10 and 20 new companies. So every 3 months, there are at least between 10 and 20 new embedded insurance enablers that are established and that start doing business around the world. An important number. Through our researches, we have identified 12 macro categories of channels where embedded insurance is offered. And here we range from new channels like digital marketplaces, e-commerce websites, gig economy platforms, fintechs, neobanks, to more traditional channels of embedded insurance like utilities, telcos, banks, travel insurance providers. To exploit those new channels, insurers develop new insurance products, very often in collaboration with the distribution partners. We have mapped 22 macro categories of products that today are distributed via embedded insurance. We range from traditional personal lines products like travel, for example, to commercial line products like business insurance, cyber, and then categories that can fall under both umbrellas like motor insurance, property insurance, etc. So today, 22 macro categories of products are already distributed around the world through embedded insurance channels. And as you can see, we do not have only simple standardized products, but also products that normally are considered too complicated, too sophisticated to be offered via embedded insurance. Today, those sophisticated and complicated products are offered via embedded insurance. What is the approach of insurers towards embedded insurance? All the insurers and insurers that we have interviewed consider embedded insurance the most significant growth opportunity for the coming years. 50% of the insurance and insurance companies that we have interviewed already have embedded insurance as an integral part of their strategy. And 35% are likely to have embedded insurance as part of the strategy in the next year. And then there is the third category, the distribution partners. After embedded finance, the world's largest brands are now entering embedded insurance. Brands like Airbnb, Amazon, Uber, Google, Vodafone, PayPal, Tesla are today selling embedded insurance, offering insurance to their customer bases, embed with their value propositions. This is a game changer. Now, a few words about Observatory. We are a global initiative. We have members from all over the world, from North America, Africa, Australia, Asia, Europe. What we do, 3 core things. We run ongoing researches and market intelligence on the global use cases of embedded insurance and open insurance. We analyze those information and deliver actionable insights to inform our members' business decisions. And we share those knowledge through workshops and plenary meetings. And those are my contact details. If you want to contact me via email or LinkedIn, I will be happy to be in touch with you. Thank you very much.